Yes, sir, old blood.
Old blood? Yeah, I am old. I am old. Here, somebody sit down. I'm not sitting this time.
Hold on, I gotta get a shot.
I'm going to take off with you. Hold on, let me take off with you, Frank. Oh my God, teenagers are fighting. What the hell? You got 10s?
I got a 10S and he got a 10R.
Nice.
The first time I owned a phone, I was in college. I know, yeah, times have changed. Fourth graders have phones now. Crazy. I didn't get a phone until I was in 6th grade.
I didn't get a phone until I was in 4th grade.
All right, Frankie, I'm ready.
You know, my mom gave me a phone.
Nah, it feels weird.
My mom gave me a phone because we only had.
What is that, an RX-8?
Yeah, so I wouldn't get lost at AMA Expo. That's what she gave me.
It's an RX-8, yeah.
She gave me my sister's old iPhone 5 so I wouldn't get lost at Expo.
Good old winkle.
Winkle, winkle. I'll go behind you.
Bye. That sounds sick, Frank.
Oh yeah, it is. It's crazy. I used to do this gear again. Hey, let's start doing formation taxing. Alright, throttle up and go.
No, we're waiting for you, dingus.
No, we're gonna do formation taxing.
Wait, 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 you dingus!
No, no. Taxi forward, I'm gonna try to follow you. Oh no!
Perfect. Hey Frank, don't step back any.
It looks better, Frank.
Only if we, dude, we should put reverse thrust DSCs in these things.
Yeah.
Hey Ray, we're gonna put reverse thrust DSCs in these things.
I don't know if it works.
Yeah, we can make it work.
You don't want to break it.
Let's put a Changsun fan in it, that'll work. We just need really low pitch fans.
Time remaining.
You see that could like reverse its wires from the signal wire.
Wow! Frankie's whipping it.
Who makes that?
This is
Man, you guys. I know, man. It took me 8 hours to fly.
Hello!
Oh, you guys, oh, hell no, man. Who said hell he's over there?
Go ahead.
Are you gonna fly with us or?
Tell me. I gotta give me a jet. Everybody else is coming the other way, low pass.
Okay. As soon as you're done, I'm doing another one the other way.
Are they gonna build that? They're gonna repair that bridge over by Morgan Hill?
There's no way.
Is that right? You guys,
It's like 400 something.
that's a good beat. What power system?
How long do you
I
think?
have a custom
Keon, how long do you think Morgan Hill's gonna
About 3
It's
years.
Yak-130 Ada.
I could actually find the video for it.
Well, how far is that hike that these people?
It's not one mile.
Okay, low pass. Fast low pass from the left. I'm going to be close.
Closer, man. Closer.
Coming back the other way. They're not bending anymore. Yeah, I see it. They're not bending at all. Okay, I'm gonna be coming in. Yeah, it's better, Frank. I think you're holding your energy better than before.
What's his name?
Sharam?
Yeah, it's not bending at all.
I guess he already had like how many views when he lost?
Oh, yeah, I was there.
Okay.
Were you guys there?
Okay, I'm landing from the right.
Yeah. Zero in the
Okay, Frank, I'm landing.
I
think he has like over 1 million views.
Oh, yeah.
To be fair though, he called the low pass, but he wasn't low. You heard low pass, but he was like. Who is that?
Yeah.
He's making money.
Oh,
It was Walter Colby.
Money off that mid-air.
Everybody uses it now too.
Oh man, this is dope.
Let's come to the Russian.
I would love to get more money to pay off everything and then some. Look at that jet, huh? Big.
Oh, you didn't do it.
That thing's got like a.
Parking brake.
That jet have an EDF in the front?
In the front.
Like a.
No, the EDF's like in the back where it's
Yeah,
messed up.
I did.
I'm kidding. That is an absolute.